BabyTV.
Grandma, come help me. It's so heavy.
What did you put in here, MJ? Did you pack up the entire house?
It really seems so. This bag is so big. Feels as if I'm carrying a house on my back.
This reminds me of an animal that I really love. It carries its house on its back.
Really? Which animal?
Come, I'll show you.
It's a tortoise, Grandma. It's a tortoise. Does it really carry its house on its back?
Yes, the house on its back is called a shell.
A shell? Can it get out of its shell like we get out of our house?
Tortoises can't get out of their shells. The shell is part of their body.
Wow, that looks heavy. Heavier than my bag.
So maybe we'll take out a few things from your bag. Where are you planning to go with this bag?
On a trip. But I still haven't decided where to.
That's really funny. Let's see what the tortoise is doing now.
Hey, look! It disappeared into its shell.
The shell protects the tortoise. In case of danger, it can enter its shell and hide.
This shell looks really strong.
It is really strong. Look what the tortoise is doing, MJ.
Ah, it's eating. It's eating vegetables. I love vegetables.
Me too. Vegetables are tasty. Tortoises also love vegetables, and there are those that also eat meat.
I've become hungry just by watching this tortoise eat.
I've become hungry too, MJ. Can I have a banana?
Of course, Grandma. I eat so that I will be strong, so I can jump, play, and do somersaults in the air. Whee!
Wow!
Hey, where is this tortoise going? Seems like it's in a hurry.
I don't know, MJ. Maybe it's going to visit a friend.
It looks like it's going to take it a long time to reach its friend.
You're right, but I don't think it's in a hurry.
Grandma, look at the legs of this tortoise. What tough skin it has.
That's right, MJ. The tortoise has tough skin. He has strong scales that protect him.
Why does it need to protect its feet?
Because the ground can get very hot. The tough skin protects the tortoise's feet from the heat.
I wish I had a small tortoise.
Not all tortoises are small. Tortoises come in many different sizes.
Really?
There are even very large tortoises.
I hope to meet a large tortoise on my trip.
And I hope that someone will come to solve my riddle.
Great! Now there's a riddle.
I'll hear the riddle.
So here's the riddle. Today, I'd like you to listen.
Listen to what?
To this sound. Which animal makes the sound?
What a cute little sound.
Yes, it is. But who makes that sound?
Come on, that's such an easy riddle.
If it's so easy, what is the answer?
We don't sound like that. It sounds like a donkey.
That's not it. Donkeys don't sound like that. Donkeys go, ee-ah.
So who made that sound? Was it me? Maybe that's the sound I made.
That's not what you sound like. You bark.
You're right.
We know. That's what a cow sounds like.
That's the funniest cow I've ever seen.
That's not what a cow sounds like. A cow moos. Moo.
So which animal makes that sound?
Who?
A cat, of course.
Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty.
Of course. I knew it was a cat.
Great! Now we all know who makes that sound, right?
A cat!
It's time to go home, guys. Thank you for the riddle, Grandma. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
BabyTV.